Sage, a herb renowned for its culinary and medicinal properties, also offers a myriad of benefits for natural hair care. From promoting hair growth to combating dandruff, sage has been used for centuries to enhance the health and beauty of hair. Here are some of the key advantages of incorporating sage into your natural hair care routine. Number 1. Stimulates hair growth. Sage contains essential nutrients such as vitamins B and C, which are crucial for promoting hair growth. These nutrients nourish the hair follicles, strengthen the root, and stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. 2. Fights dandruff. Dandruff can be a persistent and embarrassing issue for many people. Sage has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help combat dandruff-causing bacteria and soothes irritated scalp. Regular use of Sage-infused products can help reduce dandruff and maintain a healthier scalp. 3. Balancing scalp oil production. Sage has natural astringent properties which help regulate the production of sebum, the oil secreted by the scalp. When sebum production is imbalanced, it can lead to oily or dry scalp conditions. Sage helps normalize sebum production, preventing excessive oiliness or dryness and promoting a healthier scalp environment. 4. Enhances hair color. For those with dark hair, sage can be particularly beneficial. It is known to darken and enrich the natural color of hair, giving it a beautiful, lustrous appearance. Regular use of sage can help maintain the depth and vibrancy of your natural hair color, reducing the need for chemical dyes. 5. Add shine and softness. Sage is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the hair from damage caused by free radicals and environmental factors. These antioxidants, along with the herb's natural conditioning properties, nourish the hair strands, making them softer, smoother, and more manageable. Regular use of sage can add a natural shine to your hair, enhancing its overall beauty. 6. Soothes scalp irritation. If you're experiencing scalp irritation or itchiness, sage can provide relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe an inflamed scalp, reducing itching and discomfort. Incorporating sage-infused hair products or rinsing your hair with sage tea can alleviate scalp irritation and promote a healthier scalp. 7. Improves hair texture. Sage contains natural components that help strengthen the hair shaft and improves its overall texture. This can be particularly beneficial for those with thin or weak hair, and it adds volume and thickness. Sage also helps reduce frizz, making hair more malleable and enriching its natural texture. 8. Natural hair detox. Over time, hair can accumulate residue from styling products, pollutants, and hard water minerals, which can weigh it down and make it look dull. Sage has clarifying properties that effectively remove product buildup and impurities, leaving the hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. Incorporating sage into your natural hair routine can bring numerous benefits, from promoting hair growth and combating dandruff to enhancing shine and texture. Whether you choose to use sage-infused products or prepare DIY treatments with sage, this versatile herb can be a valuable addition to your hair care arsenal, helping you achieve and maintain healthy, beautiful, natural hair.